Chawanmushi, or Savory Egg Custard, is a delicate and savory Japanese appetizer that we are all familiar with. It is prepared by steaming egg with dashi stock in a small dainty Japanese teacup and filled with ingredients such as chicken, prawns, kamaboko, and mushrooms. In this video, I'll explain in detail how to prepare chawanmushi, and hopefully it will be useful for you to prepare this delicate and savory custard at home. So let's get started. Now first, prepare the dashi. You may use any stock as the soup base of the custard or use the instant dashi stock, but make your own dashi if you want the chawanmushi to be tasty. The more flavorful the base, the tastier the chawanmushi is going to be. Place it in water. Soak it for about a minimum of 3 hours or even up to 24 hours. Do not remove the white stuff of the kombu, as this is the part with high umami. Bring to a boil over low to medium heats. Remove the kombu once it starts boiling. Add the katsuobushi. Heat it up to just before boiling. Turn off the heat. Wait until the katsuobushi sinks to the bottom, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Strain through cheesecloth or a wire mesh strainer laid with a kitchen tissue. The combination of kombu and katsuobushi is always more significant than the stand-alone individual. You will immediately notice the aroma and the flavor that you are familiar with in the Japanese restaurants. Next, prepare the ingredients embedded in the custard. The filling can be as simple as diced chicken meat and kamaboko, which means steamed fish cake, or it can be as luxurious as using even dry scallops. Now take a look how to prepare the common ingredients. Cut the mushrooms into quarter if it is too large, or slice it into strips. Cut the kamaboko, the Japanese fish cake, into thin slices and halve it if it is too big. Gingko seeds are commonly added into the custard in Japan. Remove the shell by cracking it with the back of the knife, and remove the seed coat by rubbing it lightly. Cut the Gingko seed into half, as well as removing the embryo with a toothpick. Use either chicken breast or thigh meat, but has to be boneless. Cut the meat into small pieces and marinate with Japanese soy sauce. Cut the carrot into thin slices. Blanch until they are soft. Now, let's move on to prepare the egg liquid. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. The egg liquid should be beaten lightly to avoid creating too much bubbles. Large bubbles will collapse and cause the chawanmushi to have an uneven surface. Mix the egg liquid with the dashi stock before straining. Add the Japanese soy sauce, mirin, sake, and some salt. Mix well and be careful not to create too many bubbles. You can either use a cheesecloth or a wire mesh strainer to strain the egg and the stock. Straining will remove most of the bubbles and catches the strand of egg whites and any other impurities. Fill up the individual bowls with the ingredients of your choice. Fill up the bowls with the egg liquids. Cover the bowls with an aluminum foil or cling film to prevent water droplets from wetting the custard during steaming. We have got everything ready by now, and we can start to steam the chawanmushi. Steam over low heat to ensure not to overcook the custard. Steam until the egg custard is barely congealed. This texture is formed when the custard will quiver if you shake it lightly, and the surface will bounce back when you press it lightly with the back of a metal spoon. Now, this moment is when the custard is barely missed its breaking point, which results in the smoothest custard that you can have. I've just shown you how to prepare the chawanmushi. You can download the recipe and read more details at my blog, tasteasianfood.com Chawanmushi. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button below. You'll find there are many more similar Asian dishes out there. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.